Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. In today's video, I am going to be using black, white, green, blue, and two different metallic silvers to do a kiss pour. So a kiss pour is where I will be dividing my colors into two different cups and pouring them at the same time where the paint touches before it hits the canvas. I've done some in the past that I've really liked, and so for this one I want to do one side mostly just black and white with a little bit of silver, and the other side the colors, blue and green, with some silver. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so that moved a whole lot differently than I was expecting. The GenCrafts paints are thinner than my usual mixture, so they moved much quicker than I was expecting. So it didn't keep a lot of the shape I was expecting, but I really like kind of the contrast between black, white, and gray, and then the blue and green, and it looks like white, but I mean, I guess that could be the white coming in from here, or it could just be the silver. Anyway, I want to let it sit for a little bit. First, I'm actually going to hit it with my torch, though. I just wanted to see if there were any air bubbles to pop or anything like that. I'm going to let this sit for a little while. I don't think there's going to be a lot of cells in this one, just because it was so liquid that probably any of the air bubbles have already disappeared. But I still want to let it sit for a little while, and then we'll take a closer look. All right, so I gave it about 5 minutes. I just don't think this one's going to change a lot. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. So up here is the green and blue and the light silver. So gorgeous. I'd love to do a painting with just those colors. And then we move into these amazing lines with the black, white, and darker silver, which the metallics don't really show a lot when they're wet, but I know from experience that they dry incredibly shiny. Or I guess maybe shimmery is a better word. And then down here, more of this blue and green. Oh, my dog who was hanging out in here just decided she's leaving. So sorry for the jingling. And then up here is some of that silver, which looks white right in there. I just noticed it, but this almost looks like a horse's head, and then like it's rearing up with its legs, and like the hair is going back here, or I guess mane. I don't know if anybody else noticed that or not, but let me know if you see that or if you see something else. These images are really interesting to see in the paint. Okay, I am just going to pop in real quick before my outro because I wanted to show you this dry. Well, it's probably not super dry in the middle, but it's dry at least visibly so that you could see how it looked with the metallics. So I don't have my fancy lights on right now, but you can see how the light just catches on those metallics. It is so pretty. I think it definitely changes the painting to see it dry, so that's why I wanted to make sure to include that. Especially up here, that like silver top left. Very cool. Okay, back to the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps my videos with the algorithm, and I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.